Today, we're taking a look at the BOOGEY Lights Plus Series wireless RGB LED controller with KEY FOB remote. Product SKU is PGU RC MC Plus. This is one of our most popular wireless LED controllers used in a wide variety of motorsports applications. It's a multicolor LED controller designed to be used with BOOGEY Lights RGB LED light strips. It can also be used with single color LEDs if desired. This controller is rated for a maximum capacity of 300 50/50 common cathode LEDs. The controller will draw about 3.5 amps on full power. It's powered by 12 volt DC, although we do offer an optional 110 volt AC to 12 volt DC converted if desired. The controller itself measures 2.5 inches in length by 1.75 inches in width by 7/8 of an inch thick. While designed to be used in motorsports applications, the controller is water resistant, not waterproof. The controller includes two RF KEY FOB remotes that have an operating range of anywhere from 50 to 100 feet depending upon the operating environment. This controller allows you to select up to 7 colors using the remote. Additional features include on-off, dimming, strobing, breathing, and flashing functions. There is an optional Bluetooth upgrade that allows you to operate this controller with your smartphone. This controller has built-in protection against short circuit or reverse polarity. We offer a 3-year original owner warranty on this controller. And one important note, this controller will only work with common cathode LED strips. And there you have it for our Plus Series wireless RGB LED controller with KEY FOB remote. Thanks for watching.